If you like your drinking water a little on the bubbly side, well then a home soda maker might be just for you. And Adam's here to tell us which one was the top of our ratings.
I feel like you were speaking directly to me, Bridget. I live and die by my home soda maker.
A little bubbly, huh?
Love the bubbly. I feel good about using fewer plastic bottles. I feel really good about not lugging plastic bottles around.
True.
And in fact, you can save money. If you carbonate your own water, it can be about 50 cents per liter, whereas if you're buying bottles of carbonated water, it can be anywhere between $1 and $3 per liter.
So it adds up.
It does.
Yep.
We have 7 different soda machines here. The price range was about $72 to $219 is what we paid. Big range. 2 of them, these 2 right here, are automatic. They're electric. You have to plug them in.
Gotcha.
Most of the machines use a CO2 canister. It fits really easily in there. They're not hard to install. And one of these will carbonate between 30 and 60 liters of water, depending on the level of carbonation. One of them uses packets of citric acid and sodium bicarbonate instead of that cartridge.
So you get a little chemical reaction.
Exactly.
Okay.
These 2 were the models that used carbonation caps in addition to the carbonation cartridges.
Okay.
Again, a couple of extra steps involved there in terms of carbonating the water. Not a deal breaker, but other ones were easier. Also on this model, you'll note that the bottle is a little bit taller than some of the other ones.
Right.
Most of these are plastic bottles around 1 liter in size, except for that gray one in front of you, which was the only one with a glass bottle.
Interesting.
This one was a little taller, and some testers found it a little more difficult to navigate it in and out of a fridge, so they didn't like it for that reason. All the other ones worked really well, and they had different benefits, and testers found reasons to recommend 4 of these models.
Okay.
The best overall machine, the easiest to use, the best choice for most people was this one. It's the $83 SodaStream Fizzy. It's small and compact and sturdy. The quality of the soda water was wonderful.
Great.
If you want to take the guesswork out of your carbonation and have an automatic machine, this is the SodaStream One Touch, and it was $127.
Fabulous.
If you are trying to steer clear of plastic and want to go for the model with the glass bottle, that's the big gray one in front of you. That is the SodaStream Aqua Fizz for $154.
All SodaStream so far.
So far, but there's one more. If high style is your jam, Bridget, and I happen to know, that chrome model on the end, that is the Arc Carbonator 3. It worked really well. It's a manual model. It was the most expensive one at $219, and it looks like every penny of it. It looks great.
It is gorgeous, and it seems like there's a winner for everyone.
Indeed.
But if you want to get the best overall winner, it's the SodaStream Fizzy, and you can buy it for $83.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.